Can you say it really loud for me? Hi, Dad.
Hi, Daddy.
I don't know. My ears are...
Hey, baby girl. I love you.
Daddy talking to you. Daddy just said he loves you.
I love you too, Daddy.
Could you hear the crowd?
Yeah. Another pass from the left, ladies and gentlemen. Be sure to get your cameras ready. Here they come from your Oregon Air National Guard, the F-15EX Eagle 2s. They're bugging back out to PDX. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for the Red Hawks in today's opening flyovers of Boeing.